one of the best parts about having an artificial plant is that you don't have to worry about watering it every day. So huge thank you to the brand for sending me this 4-foot artificial tropical plant. This plant does already come partially pre-assembled in this nice, sleek black pot. However, this pot is small enough so that if you wanted to place it inside of your own like pot at home, you could also do that so that you could make this totally customizable. Another really fantastic feature about this beautiful plant is that each of these leaves and branches and things like that are all customizable. So you are able to completely rotate each of these individual leaves so that you can have this any direction that you want to help fill out your plant. And each of these individual leaves are also bendable as well, so that you can bend these each way to make this also just all that more realistic. So again, I got the 4-foot option, and this really is not that heavy. It's pretty lightweight, which is really nice because it allows me to be able to move it from room to room to kind of help me decorate different spaces. So I'm able to move this to my office, my living room, my entryway to kind of help liven my different spaces. So if you're like me and you love having greenery in the house to help brighten your spaces, but don't always remember to water those plants, then I would definitely recommend trying an artificial plant like this one from Science Zen.